let's model the pipe. That's very easy. We have an empty seat, and let's press Shift A, mesh, select circle. Okay, press tab to edit, and then all the vertices are already selected. If not, this is how it's dark black. So let's select everything and press F to create a face. And now I can go to my front view and let's start to extrude it. Either I can press E to extrude. Another way, faster way, is hold Control key on your keyboard and right click with your mouse. It will follow the mouse pointer. Very simple. Okay, and then I would like to come down and just follow and then extrude and just bring it down, and then I can press G, just make it straight. Okay, so I can go to my wireframe. Let's clean this up a little bit. I'll press G just a little bit. So in my case, I can select all of these vertices and press X on the keyboard, select vertices. Then select this group of vertices, press G, and then bring it forward. Alright, at the moment it is not straight. So the easy, quick way to make it straight is scale. Red line shows us that this is the x-axis. So S for scale, and then X for the x-axis, and then we can just press the 0 key and then click. So now this is straight. Okay, you can see this is all straight. Now I can just press Control R and I can add one loop cut over here. I would like to extrude this part, but before I do it, let's give some thickness to our mesh. Solidify, something like this. Okay, and let's click apply. Okay, now if I press Control 2, it will add subdivision with level 2, and let's press tab and we can click on this so we can see the original mesh. And let's come over here, press tab. See, this is how the result. Let's fix this first. Press tab, and if I go to my face mode, select, click on this, click on the face and press I to inset, and then be just about here, and we can add one loop cut. Press Control R, click and bring it down somewhere here. Now if I press tab, I can see now we have fixed this problem. Now let's come over here, and so select the face and then come over here, or click on the edge in order to select all of the face ring. Press E for extrude and right click. Now I would like to bring these faces out equally. So the way we do it is press Alt S, and it will just use your mouse movement, and then maybe this much is enough. Click to accept it. And now if I press tab to see the result. Okay, so we need to add more loop cuts. Control R, and let's bring this closer. So one on this side, and Control R, and then bring it closer so that it can hold the shape tightly. Okay, so this is good enough. Okay, so let's click apply. In the next video, we will create the fire system. So stay tuned. Take care and bye bye.